They show some love. If not, it's okay. Well, Gary.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Calm down!
Around with that booty on me. Hi, my name is Trey.
What the hell?
What is up, beautiful people? So today is wash day. It's Sunday. I usually wash my hair every other Sunday, so today is that day and I want to try something different, try something I hadn't done before. Well, Gary, what is it? Bantu nuts. Yeah, I'm gonna also make this a TikTok so you guys can check it on there as well. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get our products together, wash our hair, and Bantu and get up. So I'll keep you guys along on the journey. So without further ado, let's really get into it.
Calm down!
So we are in the bathroom, about to get cracking. Let me show you guys the products we're gonna be using today. Don't mind the bottles being so crusty. I have this lovely Aussie moisture conditioner and shampoo here that will be making its way downtown, walking around, faces pass, and I'm home. And then we'll also be using hair lotion, Moroccan argan oil. Also, you can use some good old-fashioned coconut oil. Miracle olive oil, Miracle stuff to keep your hair shiny. Another product you guys can also try out is this as well. This is meal conditioner. So you guys tell me what you guys have used, what do you think I should try. I have 4C hair, so you know, whatever products anybody that has 4C hair can recommend is fantastic. Something you guys might want to try out as well is this here.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the no.
This is the Cream of Nature detangler. But anyways, we're gonna get straight into it now. Clothes are off and now we're gonna hop in the shower. Let's do it.
So tell me why I'm sitting here and I'm just minding my business, being very productive editing this video, and I see this scene right here. What the hell? Why do I look so fugly, bro? Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm still single, ladies, so y'all can slide in my DMs at Garry Washington.
It's in my eye. Girl, get out my face. You always in my eye, but you always in my mind too. There's gonna be a lot of footage I gotta clean up. We're looking now.
Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? So now that we have combed, detangled most of the hair, what we're gonna do from there is gonna split up into several sections and start bantuing it by twisting it. But I'll keep you guys along on the journey, of course. They show some love. If not, it's okay. But let's get right to it, baby. Okay, so now that I've dried off, I'm gonna put my shirt on. Actually, full. You imbecile. Look, normally I would actually blow dry my hair, but our blow dryer is broken, so. Ooh, wow, I look so. Girl, I like the way you grind with that booty on me. I like the way you grind with that booty on me. I like the way you grind with that booty on me. Alright, so now what we're about to do is we're gonna start parting the hair and all that jazz. Gonna need these. Fellas, make sure you clean my ears and your neck. I'm not gonna act like I'm an angel. Pro-life tips with Gary. Whoa, wait, I said pro-life, oh my gosh. Whatever, it's your choice, ladies. Pro-choice, that's what I am. LOL. So I'm watching this movie, it's called Gone in 60 Seconds, Nicolas Cage, I should say. And bro, have you guys seen that episode of Community when Abed basically was studying Nicolas Cage films and they were trying to figure out why he was considered so good or whatever? Anybody know what I'm talking about? If you do, please drop a comment down below. But yeah, I'm watching that movie. I think Angelina Jolie's in it. But basically what I'm about to do is I'm about to split my hair straight down the middle, and we're gonna split it like this. So we're basically gonna do this. So now I split my hair. Well, Kennedy helped me split it, I guess. So I'm gonna go into the next part, which I guess is sectioning a little bit more and then doing a Bantu. So stay tuned. Bantu, what it do, baby? Shout out King Ken.
Look at that.
We're throwing the dread up in that thing.
Oh. This guy's kind of lip. It'll probably fall up.
That's better than that. Alright, cool. So, I got put on game by the Chile here.
Don't call me that.
Ooh.
Yeah, yours.
Need a little homecoming. Oh,
Nice to
little
be pushing.
If you guys haven't already, follow me on TikTok. Your name is at Garry Washington. Hi, my name is Trey. I got a basketball game tomorrow. I got shoe game. I play guard. So this is how it's coming along right now. Okay, so we've got it split. So we split straight down the middle, then we went back of ear to ear, and then we just went ahead and sectioned off into squares amongst this, and now we have a beautiful set of, I believe, 8 or so, 7 or 8. So check that out. Boom, fire, fire. Y'all not ready for the race.
Alright, you guys, so you guys see the Bantu.
Yes! Oh, great and mighty Grand Champion! Is there something you need? Back rub, perhaps? Oh, gee. You sure? Okay, well, bye.